is somewhere around negative 500. Car really didn't have enough heat in it, in my opinion, but we're going to call it anyway. 0 to 60, 2.5 seconds. 0 to 100, 5.6 seconds. 8th mile showing 6.6 at 107. Computer showing ET at 10.2, mile an hour of 134. We'll see how accurate that is. Not 100% sure that was the best the car is going to do tonight. But I'll tell you what, it didn't feel half bad. So, let's get a tail of the tape, see how we did. Usually this ET is fairly accurate. Thanks, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Right out of the gate, 10:27. Awesome. 10:27. We're weighing in at 4,450 pounds. Mile an hour showing 130. The mile an hour always seems to show low in that lane. Anyway, it does not matter. We just went at 10.27 with a 9 at 130.14 miles per hour. And just so you know, 60 foot showing a 149. I think the 8th mile's a little bit, 8th mile is a little bit on the optimistic side at 6.5, 126. So anyway, there you go, 10.27 at what's showing just the other side of 130 miles an hour.